The above two motors have been connected with wires. The two motors at the bottom need to connect the wires by yourself. This is an extension cord. Let's go and check the electric control cabinet. There are 4 wires here. This is the 0 wire. These 3 are the incoming wires. You're gonna have to plug the power in yourself. How to connect to 4 motors? Open this box. Connect the wire in this box. These 2 boxes. And these 2 boxes. 4 boxes for 4 motors. This box and this innermost box is for connecting with vibration feeder, which is under the feeding hopper. These wiring ports are connected to the heating tubes in the feeding hopper. And each wire is marked with a number. You only need to match the corresponding number when connecting. These 4 wires are connected to high voltage input wires. P1 P2 P3 P4 P1 P2 P3 P4 These are thermostatic sensors. Lead directly to the hopper with a longer wire. There are holes in the hopper up here. Right here. The high voltage rod connection is in this place. To high voltage box. The wire should be connected to the rollers. This is one group, this is another group. One is to connect to this place over here. Unscrew this screw and wrap here. Or here. Either up or down, just one. This group is the same. The upper and lower rollers are connected in series. These 2 wires are for the vibrating feeder. These 2 are connected to one gearbox. There are 2 small motors on the left and right sides. 2 wires are twisted together when wiring. These are the wiring points of the heating tubes with the number marks. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please contact us.